That will never not be satisfying. Since receiving the MCON, I've been doing a lot of mobile gaming, and I've been having a lot of fun with Midnight Club 3 Dub Edition until I discovered a way that made it even better. AR display glasses. These are the INAIR 2 Pros, however, I'm sure that you can get it to work with the INAIRs, the Rayneos, the Vitchers, and all of the other ones that there are out there. I have my MCON connected via Bluetooth to my phone, and then my AR display glasses through USB directly onto the phone. And this is how it looks. This game is great because it is open world, but whenever you want to do any racing, you find a racer out there and you essentially just challenge them to a race. So I'd like to explore and just drive around the city and obviously do some racing. But one of my favorite things about doing this is that I can actually take this off and set this down on my desk and then just have the controller by itself. And this makes it so that it's a lot lighter and all you have to do is just worry about the controller. I like to have the grips down because it just feels better, and then I can just play. Ooh, that drifting though. Oh, never mind. So yeah, honestly, even though I've been loving playing on my phone on the go with the MCON, with the AR glasses, it's just a completely different other experience because I have this huge display in front of me and it's all running on my phone. The screen is actually further away from me and bigger, but this is the best that I can do for you. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Tell me what other games I should be emulating on my phone using the MCON, and subscribe. And I will see you all next time.